Well, I have almost 15 years experience as a computer science engineer here in Guatemala, Central America. Right now I'm focused on data engineering and data science. Okay, well, I started looking for learning solutions that could teach me the cloud technologies. There are a lot of free courses out there, blogs and videos about it, but I really wanted a platform that could have like hands-on labs and sandboxes to put in practice all these cloud concepts and services. I think it's aligned with the main topics of the major cloud providers, and they really are aligned with the certifications and the contents, and you have the chance to test the cloud services in a controlled environment, so you don't have to like incur an extra charges when you're learning a specific certification. At the beginning, my goal was just to get my first certification in AWS as a solution architect, and also be able to master the AWS Services portfolio. I was able to pass the AWS Solution Architect certification last year. So I think that my life really changed, because as soon as I posted the certification, I started to see jobs offers from companies outside my country. So it was really a surprise. They have a lot of learning paths, so you can just follow along the path, and it's very structured. They have really put an emphasis on the key concepts that are going to be evaluated in the exam, and the hands-on labs, I really think it's really helpful to achieve the certification. Cloud Academy already have a learning path for the certification that I wanted. I follow along like strictly the path, and if I have any other, like if I want to investigate more, I just follow other hands-on labs that are, or you can like jump between labs and go forward or forward. Sometimes they put code examples, for example, for the Python learning path. It was really helpful because there are a lot of common use cases of what you can do in some specific technology. So I think that is a really good asset. And also I really liked when the instructors are like simulating a specific problem, and they compare solutions between Azure, AWS, and also Google Cloud. So for me, it was really key to have a lot of experts sharing their thoughts about a specific cloud platform, and decide which one is like the best solution for a specific problem. So I think that is a good idea. I'm going to give you a tip. I don't know if you have heard it, but it starts like, "Hello, Cloud Academy Ninjas." It's Andrew Larkin and also Stuart Scott. So I think that those are my favorite.